Okay, let me get right to the point for you. You're a realtor, and if you're like most realtors, you're probably driving yourself crazy trying to figure out who's going to be your next client, when you're going to sell your next home, or how much your next commission check is going to be. This is the scenario for over 90% of real estate agents in the US, and just a few of the reasons why real estate is considered one of the most rewarding and challenging industries at the same time. This is also exactly why MWR Financial has created our Certified Realtor program. Imagine being able to partner with a company that can provide you with referrals, help you create clients, instead of having to compete for them, and give you everything you need to turn renters into buyers, while also being able to provide your turn-down clients with everything they need to become qualified buyers. Sounds amazing, right? Well, believe it or not, it gets even better. By becoming a qualified MWR financial director who enrolls in our Certified Realtor program, you'll also be able to earn a guaranteed monthly residual income by referring other realtors, your clients, or anyone else you know to MWR Financial. By doing this, our financial makeover experts can provide them with everything they need to increase their cash flow, credit scores, and income, while also helping them lower their expenses and debt-to-income ratios all at the same time, putting them in the best position to qualify for lending. And best of all, you and your clients don't have to become financial experts because our experts do all the work. In other words, you no longer have to waste time and energy on financially challenged clients or assist a new homeowner with what it takes to get qualified, because our team will do it for you. As a MWR Financial Certified Realtor, you'll also gain access to a growing group of real estate investors through our network. You don't have to change real estate companies, and you can even earn an additional 1% commission on the sale price of any buyer we refer you through our Fire Your Landlord program. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to separate yourself from the competition and position yourself with a groundbreaking company that is disrupting the real estate industry, get back to the person that shared this information with you. Get all the details and get started today.